Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove your LinkedIn profile from Google search results. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain privacy or control who can find your professional information online through search engines. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to gain access to your profile settings. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture along with some basic information. Click directly on your profile. This action will take you to your full LinkedIn profile page where you can view everything that's currently visible to others. Now that you're on your profile page, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a pencil icon next to the section labeled Public Profile and URL. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. This will open up the settings that control how your profile appears to people outside of LinkedIn, including search engines like Google. Once you're in this section, look for an option on the right side that says your profile's public visibility. This is the key setting that determines whether or not your profile can be indexed and displayed in search engine results. It's important to locate this setting as it directly controls your profile's discoverability. Within this section, find the option labeled Profile Photo. You'll see that by default, the public setting is typically enabled. Make sure to unclick the public option here. By disabling this, you're starting to limit what information is publicly accessible. You also have the option to click on your network if you want to adjust who can see your connections and network information. This provides an additional layer of privacy control. Alternatively, if you want to make a broader change quickly, you can simply click the toggle button right beside your profile's public visibility. When you toggle this off, it removes your entire profile from public view, which means search engines like Google won't be able to index or display your LinkedIn profile in search results anymore. And that's it. You've successfully removed your LinkedIn profile from Google search. This change might take a little time to fully reflect in search results as Google needs to update its index, but your profile is now hidden from public searches. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.